guys, I'm Rachel with Matthews Landscape. I'm an account manager and licensed horticulturist, and I need to tell you the buzz about one of my favorite plants. This is Pycnanthemum mutifolium, or clustered mountain mint, and it is one of my all-time favorite plants. This is a native mint that is native to the United States and our area, and it is perfectly evolved to grow here and support the ecosystem that it is in. As you can see, maybe right now, there are about 60 to 70 bees on this plant right now, and it is an excellent nectar source for all of our pollinators throughout the summer season and into the fall. It has these beautiful opposite leaves that are silvery and soft and fuzzy on the top. As they grow up, you'll get more and more of an ombre look from the lighter green at the base and the silvery green at the top. Being in the mint family, it is very aromatic. So when the breeze blows, when you touch the plants, you get a beautiful minty aroma that is great for keeping some of the unwanted bugs out of your garden. Clustered mountain mint is a perennial, and it is a very happy grower. It is a slow mounding perennial. It travels by rhizomes, so it needs some room to grow. It's not going to take over overnight, but if you want to plant this in your garden, I would suggest giving it a nice area to thrive and fill in. These make excellent cut flowers. You can make teas from it, or you can just appreciate the beauty when it is blowing in the breeze. This is a plant that is meant to be in your garden.